Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami line. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press well. Press it, open it. Now fold it into a leaf type shape and press well. Now from the other side, repeat the step and press well. Now fold a bit from one side and then the other. Repeat the step. Fold it inwards. Now fold it and press well. Then from the other side, repeat the step and press it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Press it well. Again press it. Like this. Open the fold to form the face of a cup. Press it well. From both the sides. Now form a nose of the line. Fold it inwards. Now we have to form the tail of the cup. Fold it like this. Now like this and again. It's done. Now add some details by drawing the eyes of the cup and nose. Adding some more details and it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.